Well, first thing, it's Monday morning. First thing we're going to do today is we're going to go on a cleaning frenzy, bagging frenzy, and bag up all this stuff. And it's going to take a while. It might take an hour or so. But we're going to bag all this stuff up. Homeowner brought us some goodies. Yeah, is that the goodies? Wait a minute. Where's the bathroom? Where's it at? Oh. But yeah, it's cold out this morning. It's about, probably about 30 degrees. Here's all the trash. Homeowner hasn't picked it up yet. That's all rough cut. I mean, the boards that were on the roof, on the trusses, I couldn't believe it right here. This is what the old shingles and everything was nailed to. This old rough cut stuff. I couldn't believe how good a shape it was in. But that stuff is nice and it's hard, dry. Yeah. So first thing this morning is cleaning up this stuff. We got some 2x4s for our knee wall in the front and back. And I think, we're not sure yet, but we may be redoing this whole back corner back here because it's pretty shot. It's bad. Oh, it's rotten. So we may be tearing this whole corner out and redoing it. We're not sure yet. We'll know later. I'm going to tear down this piece of crap sometime today. But first thing in order this morning is to start cleaning all this insulation and trash up and get it bagged up. Get it out of here so we got room to move around and stuff like that. So I'll be back with something here in a little bit once we get moving. It's time to start moving because I'm starting to get cold. So yeah, be back. We're back. So now yeah, it's a mess. Now the homeowner's talking about maybe he might be wanting us to take this floor out, so that would be an add-on. So we're just waiting to hear back now and see if we need to go ahead and tear all the floors out, all the inside walls. So it's turning into a long drawn out process, but I'll be back with more. Now we're taking down these walls. I gotta take out the sink. That whole section of the house over there is coming down. This wall right here is coming down. All this bathroom's coming down. It's getting redone completely. Basically the whole house. We gotta take the entire floor up, all the way through the house up. New floor joists. Basically the house is gonna be brand new. I want to show you guys something. Look at that. Look at this moon tonight. Ain't that beautiful? I love this time of night, or this time of year. A big old tree fell over. You can tell it's been there for a while. There's tractor, old tractor. Let's see what it is. 360 long. Looks like it's been sitting here for a while. Doesn't look like it's ran in a while. But it probably does run. The brush hog BCR 1560. Back tires are dry rotted real bad. Huh. Seat's a little tore. Look at the steering wheel. That's a little old. Keys in it. I'm not gonna touch it. But, see that? Huh. I thought I'd show it. I don't know if this thing runs or not. I'm assuming that it most likely does. I don't know. There's some big timber out here, man. Back here. Man, some kind of sirens. It's beautiful out here though. Quiet, other than the sirens. That is dead. Yeah, I thought I'd show that. I'll be back with something else.